Are you evil?
Don't ask. I already know the answer to that. Here.
Yep. Good idea. Okay, now I think I connected it here, so this one should be okay.
Unfortunately, it looks like we stretched this one out. Can you get it through there or not?
I think I can.
It's a choo-choo. I have like. Oh. She's not helping us.
She really isn't. Okay. Here is this. So figured out the first part.
Okay. Let's
And
put the
then-
staples there.
And then
This needs to go up here.
yeah, but how do you
It has to
Oh,
do with
it
the-
has to
Yeah,
go
well,
over. Okay, release it.
What if I ooh, see,
Oh,
this you got
this
it?
thing. Well, this thing is
You got to get it connected to here, this little loop.
She is still filming us, you know that, right?
Yeah, she's lucky. No,
I think she's gonna want to bribe. I think she's gonna ask us for bribes, man.
It's not gonna happen.
It's illegal to ask your QC for a bribe.
You know what? Her evaluation is coming up. the
Oh, good
self-review.
idea.
Guess what I get to do? You alright?
Yeah, I am alright, but it is fixed now.
There.
Okay, now we need to test
Staple.
sample. Test
Yeah,
staple.
let's jack hers.
Let's just take hers since she is filming us and we're deserving of this. Hold on.
Sure.
Let's see now.
Yeah, I know what it is. This thing
Okay.
has to bend down. This piece. The little wedge thing, because it's getting hooked on something. See? I don't see anything in there. It's usually this piece not seated. There you go.
Probably bent it up shape. Because, you know, smart. This thing, though.
That little thing should be flatter. I think it needs to be bent a little bit.
This thing?
Yeah, that little flap thing.
See, this straight thing needs a way to go down.
yeah.
Okay, where's that thing?
It's your mechanical engineering.
Yes.
Her husband's rubbed off on her.
Yeah, he really has. Hold on.
Yeah, you bend it over a little bit so it can slide loosely.
Mm-hmm.
And it has
I
to
think
be,
you're exactly right.
Yeah, I already took one apart, that's why I know. It has to be just so, otherwise it doesn't have enough,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Guys, we're engineer guys.
that's it.
Who said I'm a CPA?
I don't know. That just leaves yourself open to all kinds of comments. The ones that you're reviewing their work.
I know. Okay, so we fixed one. Now it's a matter of making sure.
It's, oh great, you know what? That's the same thing that's happened to the other one.